Hi everyone, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to share you the new MRDCL editor. Editor view a setup file. User simple open the MRDCL Central Recently pane. Refer to Recently's video for more detailed features of Recently's pane. Open the setup file or import the SSS or SPSS file. Refer to import videos to import files. Select the setup file and then will file will be editable in the editor tab. Based from the previous video, this is how to start the MRDCL editor. By selecting the setup file for editing, click the STP file. There are 8 tabs. The main setup file will be editable. In the editor tab, the output files will be viewable tabs. Login listing tabs also has syntax highlighting. Features available in editor tab are similar to other editors. It includes features like search text, go to line number, save, cut, copy, and paste. It also has zoom in and zoom out, insert line before or after, and more. Open close to view the right pane for the editor commands. User can also comment or uncomment line by simply pressing Ctrl plus K, Ctrl plus U, respectively. Summary tab contains a summary information of the run setup that contains the date and time of the run, output files, table of contents, and other details. The output tabs log, listing, report, table of contents, table are view-only tabs. In the subfile tab, user can view simply select the setup subfile and then edit or view the file. This has similar features as the editor tab. The user can also create a new subfile, open an existing subfile, or delete the subfile in the pane. MRDCL central view variable is similar to the classic view variable. User can only view the variables after run setup has been completed. Variables, question title, and labels, table titles, used in data and table stages can be viewed using the view variable.